Okay. What is that, Viveka?
My tooth. It just fell off.
Did? Let me see. Wow.
It has some blood inside. A
When did
little.
it fall off?
Today.
Today?
Uh-huh.
How did it fall off?
When I was shaking it, like, it was a blood a little, but it didn't hurt.
It didn't hurt?
Yeah.
Oh. And what day today is?
It's my birthday.
And your tooth fell, your very first tooth?
Yeah, it's also Earth Day.
It's also Earth Day? Oh. Are you going to give it to Tooth Fairy?
No, I need to send it in an envelope.
Put it in an envelope, and what are you going to say to Tooth Fairy?
I'm gonna write it down, but I don't know yet. I'm gonna say, dear Tooth Fairy, the tooth is inside the envelope. Please pick it up.
Aww. Can I give her this message?
Well, I'm gonna write it down. You could help me with some words.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.